Okay, hello all. Here we going to see how to center align the elements to its parent. Okay, we have many ways. We going to see three familiar ways. Okay, here I have opened my code editor and Chrome browser together, and I'm going to create an HTML document. I'm adding a HTML tag here, and then I'm going to create a head tag. Within this head tag, we can add CSS properties, and then I'm going to create a body tag. Within this body tag, we're going to create two div elements. One is parent, another one is a child. Okay, here id, giving an id as parent, and then within this parent I'm going to create one child element. Div, sorry, div id child element. Okay, here we have one parent element and one child element, and then within this head tag we're going to add a CSS properties. Okay, for CSS properties we have to add style tag. Style type is equal to text or CSS. Okay, here for parent id, okay, I'm going to add with this 300 pixel, and then height is 300 pixel, and then for identification I'm going to add a border 1 pixel solid green. Okay, green. I'm saving this document and refreshing the Chrome browser. I'm getting the parent element. Okay, I'm going to add child CSS properties for child element. I'm adding with this 100 pixel, and then height is 100 pixel, and then I'm giving border as blue for reference. And then now I'm saving this document and refreshing the Google Chrome. Now I'm getting the child element also. So first method is flex method. This is the easiest way to center align the child elements to its parent. Okay, for that we have to add display flags, and then justify content as center. Now I'm saving the document and refreshing the Chrome browser. It is horizontally centered to each parent. If we want to align vertically, we need to add align items as center. Okay, now if you refresh the screen, it will be centered to its parent. Okay, this is the first method. Another method is using grid. Now I'm replacing flex with grid, then place items as center. This is the easiest method. Okay, now also the child element is centered to its parent. Another method using position properties. For that, here we have to add position as relative to its parent, and then position as absolute to its child, and then we have to add top as 50% and then left as 50%. I'm saving this document and refreshing the Google Chrome browser. It will be like this. So we have to add another one property, transform. Okay, transform, translate, then minus 50%, minus 50%. First 50% for x-axis, and then next 50% for y-axis. It will be moved according to its width and height. Okay, now I'm saving this document and refreshing the screen. It will be centered to its parent. That's it. These are the three easiest methods. Thank you.